Let me show you 3 different ways how pros in Excel paste their data. First, let me show you how you can move columns or data. For example, let's say we want to switch the euro column here to be in front of the USD column. What we do is that we select the E column, and if you hold the mouse at the border, you can see that you can move it, but if you just move it without pressing on anything else, you will replace the data. Instead, what you do is that you hold the Shift key and then drag it, and that will change the order. If you hold the Control button, you will copy it, and of course, if you hold both Shift and Control, you will both copy and move it. The second paste option is that you use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-V. That will open up the paste special box. Let's copy this cell here and Ctrl-Alt-V. And here's different ways on how you can paste your data. For example, if you want to transpose it, make it from being in different rows into being in different columns, you can paste just the formulas, not the format, only the formulas. You can paste the values. That means what the formula returns and not what's in the formula bar. And here you can also choose different operations. For example, you can multiply the cell that you're copying into the cell you're pasting. And then my favorite one is that you add different paste options into the quick access toolbar. Let's copy this cell here. And here in the quick access toolbar, you can see that I've added paste values and paste formulas. If I press on Alt and then 2, you'll see that I will paste the values instantly. If I copy it again and go here and Alt, and if I press on 5, I will paste the formula. That means that I will not change the format, I will only paste the formula. And to add it here into the quick access toolbar, press on any of the quick access tools. If you haven't added any, you probably only have undo and save perhaps. Go to customize quick access toolbar, and here choose commands from. You have all commands, and the names are values, paste values, and formulas, paste formulas. Add them, and then you can rearrange them if you want to move them up or down. This will be Alt1, Alt2, Alt3, and so on. Press on OK, and then you have them. And now you'll learn 3 different ways how pros in Excel paste.